Welcome to today's practice where we are going to be awakening and activating our energy. So this is a great practice to do first thing in the morning or in the afternoon when we sort of hit that afternoon slump and we need to just revitalize, reawaken our energy. So, as always, just begin gently closing your eyes and bringing your awareness within yourself. Allow yourself to arrive here, wherever you are, to arrive in this moment. And just being aware of what is present on the inside. So first, just being aware of how you feel. Do you feel tense, tight? Does your mind feels like it's busy already, thinking about to-dos or thinking about yesterday or what needs to happen later? Or does it feel more present, calm and spacious? How connected to your heart are you? How open, how present, how grateful do you feel? Just noticing, not judging. Then gently shifting your awareness to your body, just noticing if you maybe just doing some small circles, gently moving your body, noticing if there's any sort of tightness or tension that stands out in your body. Maybe the low back is tight, or the neck, shoulders. Just kind of get an assessment so you know where to really put extra attention towards. Noticing how your body feels. Does it feel alive or does it feel stagnant? Does it feel heavy? Just starting to build this awareness. It takes practice when we've been conditioned to be so much in our head. Really understanding and being able to connect to your body allows you to give yourself what you need when you need it and prevent any sort of like pains, aches, pains that will come into play if you don't take preventive measures. And when you feel it, just gently opening your eyes. We're going to begin with just tapping the body. So starting at the shoulder, coming down the top of the arm and back up. Down the thumb line, back up. Pinky line, side, chest, opposite trap, down the right arm and up, pinky or thumb line, pinky line, down the side, tapping the belly, just activating the body, turning the cells on, saying good morning or hello body, how are you, time to wake up, time to turn on. This just gets the digestion going, firing. I like to tap in a circle. You can use your palms or your fists. Tapping the sides, back, tapping the hips, down the back of the leg, up the inside, down the side, up the inside, down the front of the inside. Patting the belly, turning left, right, left, right, and rubbing the low belly. Good. Now shaking, so bouncing on the balls of your feet. Big breaths in and out. In this first part of the shaking, I just like to awaken the body, enliven the body. So just really focus on breathing in life. Feel the air enter your body, the freshness, the purity, starting brand new. Cleaning, clearing, purifying the body. Now just begin pulling up energy from Mother Earth. So as you breathe in, imagine pulling up energy through both of your legs. Activating all the cells, allowing the cells to light up like a Christmas tree. Turning on the legs, just by connecting to them, just by bringing your intention, your awareness to them, bringing chi to them. Then we'll do 3 through the torso, breathing in and out, turning on the cells. I like to inhale up the torso and then exhale down the arms. Now 3 all the way up and around the head, all the way up the body. Turning on all the cells. Then 3, just the full body, feeling all of your cells turned on, lit up, glowing with life. Good. And keep bouncing, even if your calves are burning. Try to just allow the sensation to be there. Try not to be so reactive to it. Just allow it. Harmonize to the burn or the throbbing of the muscle. Now we're just going to release stagnation from sleep or maybe from sitting all day. So just big exhales and just allowing any stagnancy, any stuckness to release. So this should feel more like a downward flow rather than an upward flow, like we just did. So exhale, releasing down, releasing stagnancy. Now just releasing anything that you've been carrying, any sort of heavy energies, anxiety, guilt, shame, fear, worry, doubt, any of that, whatever's going on in your life. Maybe you've picked up some energies from other people. Just big exhales with the intention of releasing that from your system. Releasing the need to be perfect. Releasing the need to control your day, control your life, control your body. Let it go. One more. And stop. And just feel. Feel the energy, the pulsations, vibrations, the tingling, the flows of energy. Feel your chi. Now, we're going to go through each joint. So starting from the bottom, ankle circles. Bringing all of your awareness to that body part that we're on. So all of your awareness to your ankles. Wa, reverse. Wa means reverse. Tsi, opposite. All of your awareness on your ankle. Be with your body. Wa. Tsi, knees. Wa. Tsi, squat. Just do the best you can. Only go as far that you feel comfortable. Definitely don't want to do anything that causes pain. Tsi. Another knee circle. Our knees are vulnerable, tend to be the most vulnerable, so we want to spend extra time giving extra attention and care to them. Wa. Tsi. Hips. Be with your body. Wow. See, shoulders. Wow. So this is called silk reeling. We're getting the joint to move in all of its direction. Our joints can get really stiff when we only move in a linear fashion and we do that repetitively. So if we tend to have a job that makes us do the same thing over and over, same positions, our body will start to get stuck there. Elbows. Creating space in the elbows. Wow. See? Wrists. All your awareness on your wrists. Creating space in your wrists. Wow. See? Fingers down. Up. neck. Just going to rock back and forth. One hand, the opposite hand is pointed up towards the sky. The fingers are. Just going to inhale as you rock back. Exhale as you rock forward. See, opposite side. Allow yourself to really enjoy taking care of your body. Honoring it. Giving back to it. See, we'll go all the way around, one big circle, one way, and then one big circle the other way. Good. Okay, mobilization. Just going to do a double pulse with your arms. Just going to get the blood flowing a little bit more. You'll start to feel some burning sensation. Just allow it. See if you can just harmonize with it. Allow it to be there. See, just going to do the same thing but with a bent elbow. So allowing, here's a picture from the side, just allowing that wrist to go a little bit further back, creating movement in the elbow, also feeling it between your shoulder blades as you pull back. So we're activating the shoulders and the back. See, arms straight out, still double pulse. See, double pull back, twist. Good. Now just swinging the arms up and overhead. Getting that chi to move throughout the body, across the chest. And twisting. Coming to a still. We're going to do some kicks. This is really great for the low back, especially after sleeping or if you have low back pain. So we'll just start forward and back. So just straight up and down. Keep that leg straight as much as you can. And then diagonally, so just 45 degrees. And then we'll go in to out. Just opening up the hips. And then out to in. Good, and come to a still. Reaching up, do the elephant reach. So just bending forward, coming down, sweeping up, rolling that back. Arms come back up. Knees bend as you come up, push the hips forward. Arms come back up to the sky. So here's one from the side. Bending, release, pull the hips in. So you really get a little bit of a hamstring stretch and then a low back stretch. Once you've got it, just start to move with your breath. So exhale down. Inhale up. And on that next one, just hang. Just allow yourself to hang here. Taking a few deep breaths. And grabbing your ankles if you can. Inhale, pulling up, so looking at the sky. Exhale, pushing and rounding that low back. Inhale, bending the knees, looking up at the sky. Exhale, push through that low back, straightening the legs. In, out. In, out. Slowly coming back up. Last movement, coming down into a squat. Just do the best you can. If you have something that you can hold on to, you want to do that. We want to try to keep our feet flat on the ground. So heels are on the ground, not on the toes. Again, most people will need to hold on to something. That's okay. Just holding here. And it's really not a holding, it's more of a release. You can use your breath to just open the body. Maybe just saying to yourself, I allow my hips to open. I allow my low back to open. And just feel yourself sink, releasing, relaxing. Slowly coming back up. Shaking it out if you need to. And we'll just do one. We'll end with a small flow, short flow. First, just allow yourself to be still. Long, slow, deep breaths. Bring your awareness to your heart center. Just feeling that energy inside your chest. This invisible essence that beats your heart and gives all things life. Same source. This invisible essence that you are. This purity, this perfection, this energy, this spirit, this love. Bringing your hands to your low back. Inhale. Exhale down the back of the leg. Coming up the inside of the leg. Up the chest. Opening your hands to the sky. Bringing hands back down. Again, hands to the low back. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, down the back of the leg. Inhale, up the inside. Feeling your perfection, your vessel. Exhale, opening the arms to the sky. Inhale, bringing the hands back down. Palms facing the earth. Again, this time adding intention. So inhale, breathing in your life force energy, remembering the perfection that you are. Exhale, just feeling the perfection of all the cells in your body, imagining them turn on, glowing, twinkling, sparkling. Exhale, offering up any impurities, any heaviness, any rogue cells, any states of dis-ease. Offering them up to the sky, to the source. Inhale, pulling in fresh, pure energy. Exhale, pushing down, all the way down to back to your feet. 2 more. Inhale, breathing in light. Exhale, using this light to recalibrate yourself to the perfection that you are, to remember the perfection you are. Exhale, offer it up to the sky, any disharmonious cells. Inhale, pulling in fresh new light from the sky. Passing the heart, offering love to your entire body. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, feeling great gratitude for the body. Exhale, offer up. Inhale. Exhale. Bringing your feet together and your hands on the heart, one or two hands. And just allowing yourself to completely relax. To sway back and forth like grass in the wind. No control, no rigidness, just softness, flexible. Becoming one with the Tao, in harmony with life. Remembering what it's like to let go of control. Remembering what it's like to live through your heart. Soft, quiet, present, flowing, trusting, loving. And when you feel it, just taking note of how you feel now, what's changed since doing this practice. Remembering that you are the medicine, you are the guru, you are the doctor. Thank you for remembering. If you like this practice, hit subscribe so you can join me every week where I release a new sequence. And also check out the free 4-week Qigong course that I offer down in the notes below.